What's going on, YouTube? It's your buddy, everybody's buddy, Car Craftsman, back with another video. Today, I wanted to show you something that everybody has to go through when you spray paint. You use your spray guns, they get dirty. They get clogged up with paint, and you have to clean them every single time in order to have the last paint job turn out as good as your next paint job. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you a couple of things that I have here at the shop that I pretty much just set myself up with to make a little gun cleaning station to keep your guns as clean as possible. A lot of times when I get done spraying, I'll clean out the gun, I'll wash it out real quick, and then I'll set it back on the rack, and that's not really good hygiene, and that's not really good gun practice. Guns won't spray right just with a little bit of dirt or a little bit of uncleanliness, and you don't need that in your life, especially when you spend all this time prepping for a perfect paint job. You want this to go as smooth as possible. So like I said, I'm going to show you some of the things that I do to keep my guns clean, and then how to set up your own station. So if you like the video, please like the video. Subscribe for more content like this. I'm always doing something around the shop to help you guys and give you the best tips that I know how. So subscribe for more content like this, and we're going to get right into the video. Alright, to make yourself a little DIY wash station, what you are going to need is an old can. This is just a thinner solvent can that I've used obviously here at the shop, and that's what's going to be our little bathtub for our paint gun here. The tools you're going to need are a nice strong razor. You don't want to be messing around with any kind of flimsy stuff. You want a nice strong razor, and you're going to find out here why. A good set of pliers, just something that you can bend a little bit of metal with. Of course, some stuff to protect your hands with. Anytime you're working with thin sheet metal like this, you have to protect your hands. And just a good hammer. And for the advanced stuff here, I just picked this up from Harbor Freight, and this pretty much does have everything you need to really keep your gun clean there. And we're going to use this with our bathtub. And then, oh man, look how dirty this thing is. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm going to lie to you and say I kept this thing dirty just to show you a good video. But yeah, well, that's what happened, right? So yeah, we're going to make this thing into a little bathtub, and we're going to show you how to wash this gun correctly. Now looking over these brushes, that's a pretty decent set. That's going to give you a lot of options for cleaning your gun there, and I don't mind that at all. The only thing I would add to that is just a little chip brush here. Now, one of the most essential things that you do need to go and get is a squirt bottle, and you fill this up with your lacquer thinner or your cleaning solvents, and this is going to give you a really good and easy way to apply your thinner without getting it all over your hands and burning your eyeballs. Now you do need your wrenches that come with the gun, or something that you can take the gun apart with. And this is another thing that I do recommend. This here is a welding cleaning set, and this gives you a lot of different size options here to clean out some of your airways. That's really important here. So you can find one of these at a welding store. Probably Lowe's has it. I haven't seen them at Harbor Freight, but that doesn't mean they're not there. I've looked for them. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to fill this up with a little bit of lacquer thinner here. We're going to put it right into the bath. We're going to start breaking this gun down. Now I can only imagine they had these picks in here to maybe open up some holes you may have, and I don't know if I like that so much, because I would think well, that's working pretty good. Can't tell you how important keeping a clean gun is. This thing really came up pretty decent, and I know it's going to spray like gold the next time that I go to use it. Now there are things inside of here like O-rings and different types of seals that you don't want to keep inside of lacquer thinner for too long, because they will deteriorate. But you can rebuild a lot of these guns, and yeah, keep them spraying like new. So if you like the video, subscribe for more content like this. Appreciate all the support. Car Craftsman out.